Unlock the HP DesignJet T650 Advantage. Smart, fast, and built for modern CAD pros. Ever felt like your plotter's plotting against your projects, chugging through clunky setups and churning out crinkled lines that cramp your creative stride, leaving you lost in loading lags? That jammed-up jolt, when media mismatches mar maps, can mute the momentum of your master plans. If this large-format frustration fits your firm, drop a comment. What's your wildest print peril? Let's roll how HP Click software could chart the change. Now plot the pressure. Bid deadlines dragging into design disasters as stress surges from ink inefficiencies and ink jams. Burnout building when broadcast blunders bury you in backup prints amid endless error edits. But sketch a seamless shift. HP DesignJet T650's touchscreen tease of touch-free triumphs. No extra extensions or endless waits. If you're drafting through these dimension dilemmas in your den, this 36-inch dynamo might just dimension your deliverance with a witty whir. Unfurl the HP DesignJet T650, your breakthrough blueprint beaming 2400 by 1200 per inch precision on 36-inch rolls at 25 seconds per A1 or D, with auto sheet, /roll switching, and horizontal cutter that slices sheets like a silent surgeon. Picture an architect, dawn deadline dawning, dragging DWFs into HP. Click for nested previews. The crisp click of Wi-Fi syncing jobs, evoking that electric ease of elevations emerging in exact lines. Narrative nerves of revisions resolving into a rhythmic reveal of renders and renders. Its 1 GB RAM juggles JPEGs to HPGL and 2 gigabit Ethernet and USB Weave wireless wonders, all in a 125-pound stand that stands sturdy yet saves space as the world's smallest plotter. Sensory strokes surge with every smudge-free stroke, a lightly controversial cut at bulky beasts. Why hoard horizontal hassle when this compact cutter commands clarity? PC Mag lauds its impressive speed and quality for AEC pros. Here's a mini reward. Linger for the bonus site flow tip that scouts supplies slyly. If print pitfalls pinch your progress, this could plot your path. Comment plot to snag that exclusive nesting hack inside. Unroll the rewards. HP DesignJet T650 boosts efficiency with its intuitive LCD honing focus for fleet-footed files, unleashing performance where 95% less maintenance ink stretches budgets like a blueprint on bond. A CAD creator quipped, "Easy setup, beautiful prints. No remorse on this awesome plotter," stirring the subtle thrill of auto feeders flowing forms like a firm in full swing amid media melodies. Analysts applaud its mid-range mastery as reliable for technical triumphs, with users echoing, "Great for architectural draws, compact, quality, easy maintain." Rhetorically, who resists that reassuring role of HP Smart App's remote reign? Space squeezes? Its built-in stand reinforces the UVP, outpacing ponderous peers in practicality. Thousands tout the 2-year Onsite warranty's swift saves for seamless shifts. See the surge. The media bin's tidy tuck adds desk diplomacy, flipping fumbles into frolics. Lightly humorous, it's like your plotter slimmed down for a desk diet, shedding bulk while bulking output. Which line, like 82 A1 per hour speed or Wi-Fi waves, would draft your day? Comment below for a secret ink alert tweak that elevates your eco edge. Plotters are plotting scarce for the HP DesignJet T650. 36-inch wireless wonders are vanishing into 2025 queues, so sync with squads who've sketched its 2400 per inch for dimension-defying designs, as B&H pros affirm. Versatile for maps and renders, speedy at 25 seconds per sheet. Don't delay. Deploy yours now before backorder's blueprint busts, and behold the brilliance. Click to unlock that exclusive HP Click nesting guide, making multi-jobs a merry mosaic. Don't just watch. Ink up and illustrate your impact today.